Okay, so this is card number 9. I just have to look. I think my camera's crooked. There we go. In the Cute as a Bug series, and I have a feeling I'm going to have some noise. This is an easel card. So my son and husband are on their way home, and so please excuse the noise that comes in with them because it will. Okay, so maybe have to go upstairs now. We're going to start with this, and we're going to first of all we're going to fold this over. So you put the card this way. Here's my score line. I'm going to fold it in. Okay, get a bone folder, and let's score that over and furnish that, and that is what makes it an easel card. Okay, so let's grab our insides here. These two, one of them is larger than the other. Just keeps grabbing my hand. So the larger one is going to go on the front. The smaller one is going to go inside. So we're going to attach the basic white to this to go on the inside. Okay, let's get that out of the way, out of my way at least. I feel like I'm tipping over there. Okay, and then that goes on the inside, and we'll finish that later. Okay, so then we're going to take the front of this card, and this has a little picture. This is one of those layouts in that nine different layouts on the card. I don't know if there's 9, it might be 12. For all I know, there's 3, 4, probably 12. And this is one of them, and so it had a little guy blowing his horn. It has, this is over here. This is the little guy playing the instrument. And then this one goes over here. So that's the rest of her dress right there. And this is that. So we're going to put this together just like that. So there's really not a lot to do on this card, but it's really a cute card. It's an easel card. It's a fun fold card. So let's put this on here, and I'm just leaving the tiniest little bit because I wanted to get as much of as I could. So, and then this one goes on the other end. So let's do that. Just make sure you put them all going the same direction. Okay, this one goes in here in the middle, and we're going to leave a little space in between, and this one's going to go in there. And I think that one needs adjusted. This one's a little crooked. There we go. Looks a little crooked, this one. Ooh, that's not good. This one's been on there too long. Let's see if I can adjust it a little bit. Okay, it's going to stay where it is, unfortunately. Okay. So then I have my happy birthday greeting, which is needs cleaned. Stamp that in the, whoops, I twisted it. We're going to stamp that in Mossy Meadow on the little tag. Let me grab my Mossy Meadow here. We're going to attach that to the front down here with dimensionals. And I'm using the mini because they are best for this size of greeting. And so There's not a lot added to this. I do have, oh, that's interesting. I have a little guy blowing his horn. I do have a butterfly. And then we have a little butterfly that I've die cut. That we are going to attach. And hopefully I cut the right one, huh? I did. Okay. So you could also take Wink of Stella and add it to all these pretty little flowers. That would give it a shimmer. I don't know why I have this little guy in here. We're not going to use him. To the front of the card. Okay. We're going to add this to the front of the card, but we're going to add it here. So we are going to have a little bit, oops, I didn't get that down very good. We're going to have a little bit of a border down here. So I would go ahead and add my glue to this portion. And then you're just going to attach it like it would. And the bottom, on the edges. Just like that. Okay, that gives you your easel card. So on the inside here, we are going to stamp Celebrate Today and Every Day. I'm going to stamp that. And so I'm going to do it in Mossy Meadow. And it is also from a paper pumpkin. It's from November 2025, paper pumpkin. It's called Everyday Beauty Kit. Same one I showed you before. And so I just love the greetings in them. Sorry, if you're not getting them, get one. Get them. Side. He's going to go on the inside. This is going to be my little stand for my paper pump. I mean, for my, I don't know why that's sticking up because I pulled it up. Let's put it down. This is going to be the stand for the easel card. This little guy is going to go on the inside. I don't usually put too many things on the inside because it can cause it to not work. It could just be the easel, I mean the stand for it. Okay, so then I'm going to attach this with dimensionals to the inside of the card. And you want to place it so that it holds the easel up, but not too far up. Line it down here. And then I gently placed it there so I could see if that's going to be too high. No, I think it'll work. Straight. Looks a little crooked to me, but... Okay, and there is your easel card. I'm going to go ahead and attach this to the inside of my card, just because it needs to be. Celebrate today and every day. See, now I can tell if it's straight. There we go. All right. See you at the next video. Bye.